What's good, my mobile detailers? It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. I know we're in a complete different setting. We're actually in my home office here, and I was actually getting some work done in the morning here because it's freezing cold outside right now. So I was kind of just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I was working on and kind of just trying to vlog the day and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pull up my website here and kind of just show you guys what I've been working on and what I'm gonna be doing to the website. So I have my website here. Now, if you guys go to the website and stuff like that, please don't submit any requests for detailing services. Please don't call me, anything like that. That's why I have my personal Instagram, which you guys can follow at Felix Bryan. So it's FELIX BRYAN, and so 2 N's. So please reach out to me through there. It'll be a lot more easier and a lot more better response, for me if you reach out to my personal page. All right, so what we have here is my website. So I've been kind of working on this all morning. So I'm just trying to get this this ceramic coating page done because I want to promote that a little bit more. So what I have going on here is just making little minor adjustments to the services and stuff like that. So right now I'm just working on my ceramic coating page, which I'm gonna show you guys now. So here's the ceramic coating page. You guys can see all the other stuff that I have. I use Wix, by the way. So if you guys can see right there, that is what I use to edit my website and stuff like that. So what I like to do is, in order for most, if not all, my pages to look similar, I kind of just copy and paste the same thing on each of them, and then I'll just make the word changes, change the pictures, change the URL, change the keywords and stuff like that. But for the majority of the time, I'm trying to stay consistent with every page looking the same, so that way I don't have any trouble with people navigating and stuff like that through the website. So I have here, this is actually the full interior page copy. So this is what I copied from the full interior page, but this is going to be a ceramic coating page. So what I usually do is I come over here and I write up my page, right? I'm gonna go ahead and write it up, list a few benefits, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the process to the page as well, and then any questions and stuff like that they may have. Now, I wanted to make this video because I know a lot of you are working on your SEO right now, because I get DMs all the time. So I just wanted to show you guys kind of my structure in a way. Now, this isn't like the format that you need to follow, that it's the only way that you need to do your website, but this is a structure and a format that I personally have been using. So I'm gonna just go ahead and share it with you guys, and please don't laugh at my handwriting. So here we go. All right, YouTube, so here we have the page structure, right? So these are questions that I ask, and before I answer all these questions, I kind of just do some research, kind of just figure out who my customer is that I'm trying to get with whatever service. And in this case, this is the ceramic coating. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask what, why, how, who, and when, right? So what the service is, what's included, I'm gonna go ahead and answer that in the form up here in the Google Docs. Then I'm gonna ask why. Why would this person get that service? What are the benefits that they'll get from getting that service done? And kind of like why it'll be worth it for them to get that service, right? And then we have the how. How can they book? How can they get it done? And how easily can they get on the calendar and stuff like that? And then we have who, which is basically who is this service ideal for, right? Let's say you have an interior shampoo page, and you're trying to get people with dirty cars, right? So that who is going to be people with dirty cars, people with stained up seats. So I would type it up kind of like, if your car has very bad and stained up seats, blah 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 blah, kind of just go into it like that, and it's gonna make it more personal, right? And instead of just saying instead of just assuming that every car is dirty, right? Just kind of say, if your car has dirty or stained up seats, then this is the service for you, right? Kind of just an example. So after we are done with the who, we ask the when, which is also kind of like the how, which is a call to action. The call to action is simply just a button that you have installed on your website here, and it's gonna go ahead and make an appointment for them or take them to wherever you want. So that's basically what the call to action is. So when can they book it, how, you know, can they book it, and then, you know, when they can get it done. So I just have a bunch of like questions and stuff like that on there. Then I have the structure of the page, and then I also have the format, right? What's included: call to action, reviews, questionnaire form, client results, right? But this is all gonna make sense once I show you the actual site on my page. So, all right, so to give you guys a better understanding on what I'm trying to, you know, say with this format here, is basically this, right? So we're gonna go ahead and read the paragraph and stuff like that and just see. So I usually write a paragraph, which is what we have right here before the picture. So I have a paragraph right here, right? You guys see it. I'm not trying to show y'all because I don't want you guys to copy it word by word. So paragraph, right? We're gonna first answer who this service is for. We want to make sure we qualify our people that are coming to our website. So we want to make sure that we're immediately like qualifying them by letting them know who this is for, right? Because a lot of people may not know what detailing is or what they're actually getting from the service. So that's why I want to make sure that I qualify them before they even book or request a service, right? So after that, we're going to go ahead and tell them the main goal. What is the outcome of the detail, right? So just for an example, I'm going to copy this word by word. So we're going to go ahead and answer who this service is for. If you're someone who's looking to invest back into your vehicle and are ready to get looking brand new, this is the perfect car detail package for you. All right, so we qualify the lead, and then we have the main goal of the service is to help you easily maintain a brand new look on your ride after our detail service is complete, right? So it's basically just letting them know who this is for and then what they're going to be getting, right? So we got the who it's for, and then we're going to go ahead and answer what they're going to be getting. What they're going to be getting is the outcome of the service, right? So what they're going to be getting in this case is going to be, it's going to easily help you maintain a brand new look on your car after the detail service is complete, right? And then I tell them a little bit more on what they'll be getting, right? So your car will be thoroughly detailed and protected from inside top to bottom, blah 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 blah. You guys see it. And then I go ahead and let them know what would be done to the car. Then I say a fun fact, just to kind of like, that's just my personal like thing. I just add a little fun fact. And then I have most cars that give me minor swirl marks and scratches added over time with no added layers of protection end up spending 3 times the amount compared to someone who routinely get their car protected. So basically I'm just letting them know that if you don't protect your vehicle frequently, that some of those scratches or swirl marks are going to be there to stay, right? That's my little fun fact. And then we have why we're the experts, why choose Mendez. And then I have the benefits and stuff like that with a picture right there. So I have the benefits right there, obviously, and then I have why choose us. So I put for why choose us, I put when it comes to professional car detailing, you can count on Mendez to get the job done. With over 5 years of experience and dozens of different detailing methods, we won't leave until your car is satisfied and you are satisfied with the results, right? So I know this is a lot to take in, right? But this is like, just that first paragraph alone is gonna help a lot with, you know, presenting your services and stuff like that a lot more, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and get ready for the day. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this by itself or make it 2 parts, because that alone was probably like 5 minutes worth of content right there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that a little bit. You know, if you want me to dive in a little deeper into this stuff, then I definitely will. But I definitely recommend just buying the course or just following someone who's an expert, because I'm still learning myself. And, you know, that's why I'm just teaching as I'm going to help you guys out a lot more than, you know, just watching other random people and stuff like that. I'm actually going through it. I'm actually doing it, and I'm actually seeing results from this stuff. So I'm not just, talking out just to talk. Anyways, gonna go ahead and get ready for the day. Got a lot of cars to detail today, and it's freezing cold out, so I'm gonna probably make that into a vlog. So make sure you guys check out that video. But without further ado, man, hustle never settle, man. Hopefully y'all learned something from this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Any questions, any concerns, link it down below. And if I said, if I spoke too fast, if I said things too much, then just rewind and just rewatch everything and just pay attention to what I'm saying, because I think that there was a lot of value in this video alone. So without further ado, hustle never settle. Catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.